So Novaday as a company is an insurance distribution platform. We actually cover the front, middle and back office, which gives us an exceptional position in the market because we can integrate different business units, geographies, territories, seamlessly through workflow and data analytics. My role within the company is head of operations, so I focus more specifically on the technology arm, and I've also dealt with our retail products and our customer success team. So there is a cliche that everyone likes to put their customer first, but it really is a mindset shift. It's about changing your strategy, your processes, and having a culture that all aligns to a value for the customer. Now, Novaday works with a lot of customers, and what we help them do is prioritize those needs. We focus on the experiences that their customers are getting. And customers are not just the end customer, that's also the users of our platform. In a recent survey that Novaday commissioned, 87% of the responses cited providing value to their customers as the #1 driver for changing their administration platform. Now, there's 3 main ways that we like to support our customers to do that. 1 is a cloud infrastructure, 2 is an open API architecture, and the 3rd is a data architecture. And the main one that we like to focus on is our data architecture. And what that means is data models will grow and evolve as your business does. And those changes can come from technical, business, compliance. And it's really important that you don't have to redesign your data architecture to make that change, and it can evolve with your business. Now, to give you an example of that, in a recent survey that we commissioned, 35% of the respondents were concerned that their existing technology wouldn't let them scale their operating model. So Novaday really believes data is at the heart of customer experience. And how we do that is first defining who is the customer. It could be the end policyholder, the end insured. It could be your party to the left or right of you in the value chain. As a technology provider, the brokers, MGAs, underwriters who buy our solution are our customers. Now, the main thing that we believe from a customer experience perspective is, as an insurance market, we collect a lot of data, whether that be property, health, liability, and it's about turning that data into knowledge and then giving access to that knowledge at the right time and turning it into actionable insight. And it's that actionable insight at the right part of the journey that really adds value to our customers. So we commissioned a report in 2023. We reached out to over 330 executive level decision makers. And it was to really understand what their pain points, their aspirations were. And this was across the UK, Europe, US, and Asia. Now, one of the key findings that we found was over 72% of the respondents said that they were going to change their insurance management platform by the end of 2025. Now, that was a really high figure. We weren't expecting to see that. So there's a lot of opportunity in the market for insurance management platforms like ours. However, 41% of them actually said cost was the main barrier. And interestingly, from a retail perspective, 38% of those respondents actually said customer adoption was a significant barrier to why they wouldn't change their platform. So those are 2 things that we're really focusing on in Novaday to kind of make sure that we deal with those correctly.